In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable Gemini on Google Workspace. You must be signed in with the Google Workspace administrator account, and your organization must have access to Gemini. Firstly, go to admin.google.com and sign in with your admin credentials. Navigate to Menu, then Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gemini. Scroll down to the Extensions section and toggle Allow Users Access to Workspace Extensions in Gemini to On. Hit the Connect button to activate Gemini for your domain. This allows Workspace apps like Gmail, Docs, etc. to use Gemini AI features. On the left side, choose a specific organizational unit if you don't want to apply settings globally. Depending on your current settings, if it shows inherited, click Override to set custom preferences for that OU. And if it shows overridden, you can click Inherit to revert the parent settings or click Save to keep the current configuration. Once enabled, open a supported Workspace app like Gmail or Docs. Use the or mention feature to summon Gemini in context. For example, at Gmail, type subject or keywords. Gemini helps fetch or reply to emails.